Okay, we're about to start Hasbar 6:5. We're learning Masechta Kedushin. We're learning the first parak, Hayisha Niknes, Daf Lamed Tet Amud Bet. We are now 31 lines off the top of the page. The Rebbe Yaakov was of the opinion that schar mitzvah b'hai al maleka, that the reward for a mitzvah in this world doesn't happen. This world is not made, not designed for a person to receive reward in this world. And what did Rabbi Yaakov base this on? So he based it on these two mitzvot, which is unusual in the Torah to tell us the reward for a mitzvah. For Kivud Avayim, we saw Laman Yarichun Yemecha, Ulaman Yitav Lach, you'll have long life and things will be good for you. And Shluch HaKain, when sending away the mother bird, and also the pasuk says, in connection to the mitzvah, if you do the mitzvah, Laman Yitav Lach, it'll be good for you, V'arichte Yamim, and you have long life. So now we hear a story that Rabbi Yaakov had seen. The story is the following. Hareisha Amar Lo Aviv Ala Lebira. There was a man who told his son, I want you to go up. Vahave li gozlot. I want you to go up onto the tree, and I want you to get me the chicks, right? I want you to get me the chicks from the nest. So, two mitzvos here, right? The son is listening to the father. That's Kivud Avayim. And he's going to get the chicks from the nest. He's going to shoo away the mother bird. That's Shluch HaKan. Right? So both mitzvot, it's stated in the Torah that you're going to have a long life. So Va'olo Lebira, the son goes up. V'shilach ha'aim, and he sends away the mother bird. V'notel ha'sabanim, and he grabs the chicks. B'chazira so, and as he's returning, nafal, he falls, v'meis, and he dies. So the question is, heichin tovos yamav shalzeh? Is this what the Torah means, that I'll have good days? Veheichin arichos yamav shalzeh? And where are his long days from this? The kid did both mitzvot, and he died. That doesn't seem good, and certainly didn't have a long life. So based on this story, Ella rather Laman Yitav Lach, what does it mean that it will be good for you? La'olam Shekula Tov, in a world that is only good. Ulaman Yarichun Yemecha, and what does it mean? You'll have lengthy days, long days. La'olam Shekula Aruch, in a world that is forever. So what he's saying basically is, when the Torah says it'll be good for you in a world that's totally good. That's not this world, unfortunately, but the world to come. And when it talks about long life, well, it has to take place in a world that is forever. And where is that place? Again, an Olam Haba. So that backs up this story, backs up Rabbi Yaakov's opinion that schar mitzvah b'hai al maleka. This world is not made for reward. Please do the Hasbar and make sure you summarize.